In the reserves of Kitere, Jimmy sits in the quiet. The room is small, worn down just like him. His love Anupi always besides him. In the next room, his daughter sleeps, dreams momentarily at rest. Jimmy looks at Anupi, gently rocking their youngest, and in her eyes, he finds a quiet strength.
Couldn't sleep again?
No, just thinking.
Jimmy, you'll find something.
He lies down beside them, not because the struggle is over, but because of love, love, and love. The price of survival.
Ni aje?
Poa.
Yeah.
Labda wera na kazi.
Wera ni nini?
Wera ni kazi.
Hauna lugha ya kusema?
Bora ni kazi. Bora unajua ni kazi.
Kazi gani?
Ya mjengo.
Kuna visakabati zako?
Sina, sijabeba leo.
Haiwezekani hiyo hata ukuje hapa.
Ni vile familia yangu bwana sasa ina kati.
Hiyo. Haiwezekani, lazima ukue hivyo.
Niko nakuja kuona kama zapata hapa kazi.
Kazi gani?
Ya kukuza hapa ndani ama hapo nje.
Kwa saizi naye hakuna.
Nilikuwa naomba tu kama naweza saidiwa.
Saa hii biashara iko chini.
Iko chini kabisa.
Iko chini kabisa.
Hata sisi pata kitakushikilia mfuko kidogo.
Haki saa hii hakuna.
Sawa.
Sasa ndio hii unga. Ndio hii. Nimetembea nayo.
Hiyo ndio hiyo nao.
Hiyo zi. Sio utaki biz.
Biz nayo hapana. Hiyo ya unga hapana.
Wewe basi itabidi umeenda ufikirie.
Ndio nita contact.
Sasa unajua venye utanipata.
Najua.
Hizi ni ile jamu. Dogo.
And there is no going back of drugs.
Yeah, here are the goods. Ready for the first batch.
I'm ready.
Don't mess. This is your first batch. Don't mess. Careful.
So this a deal. This a done deal.
Yeah,
Done deal.
done deal.
My dear, this is our new home. How does it look?
Wow. Let me tell you, this place is so lovely. I love the interior.
This is the right thing to do. This is it.
I have information I want to share with you.
And yes, who be you?
I'm Karanja.
Yes.
I was the former drug dealer, but now I've reformed. I have a list of people who now are participating in selling drugs. And I want to bring these people down.
Okay, and now where is your evidence to show that you have reformed? Your cooperation is crucial for us, and remember, we shall keep you safe. Habari yako afande?
Nzuri sana. Have a seat.
Okay, so sorry for the interruption. I have found something that I needed to share with you. So, due to the increase of criminal activities and drug abuse in the community, so we have found some members and we have a lead, and we had one witness who came up with the issue.
So this is the progress pertaining
this is the progress.
The supply of cocaine.
Yeah, the supply of cocaine. And since we have a lead, we have to first we have to look into Jimmy's life. This is one of our own who has become a dealer in drug abuse. So these are the leads, and I hope they will help us to catch these thugs.
Okay, so what we do,
let's make sure Jimmy's family is safe. They need to know that we are serious.
So thank you. So we'll be moving very fast because hii mambo ni hatari sana kwa jamii.
Yeah, to make sure wamewekwa ndani. These people are giving us headache. Okay, you can leave.
So they're the drug lords?
Yeah.
The one with the coat is the drug lord?
Yes, he's the one.
What about the one accompanying him?
He's the dealer.
Okay. Today we are bringing them down.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Let's roll.
Get that.
Jimmy,
what's all this about?
Just resolving some differences.
Oh, differences? Who are these? Jimmy, who are these?
Jonte, drug lord, you are under arrest for the possession of illegal drugs.
Impossible.
Anything you say will be used against you in the court of law. Stand up. Move. We have evidence of you trafficking drugs across the country. You will explain yourself in the court. Move.
You as well.
I said move, kijana.